Welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of changing your name in the Momondo app. Many users wonder how to update their personal details, and it is quite simple once you know where to look. By following the instructions carefully, you will be able to modify your account name in just a few moments. Let us get started. First, open the Momondo app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. Then, select the option labeled Account. After that, tap on the field labeled Name. Once you are there, type in the new name you would like to use. Finally, confirm your changes by tapping Save. Your new name will now appear in your Momondo account. Changing your name in the Momondo app is quick and straightforward when you know the right steps. By updating your details, you ensure your account information stays accurate and current.